Welcome to the new segment of the grade 9th. We are discussing economics, third chapter, poverty as a challenge. We are discussed different subtopics of this chapter. Today we are going to discuss, already we are discussed, that is anti-poverty measures. So measuring of from a beginning, from before the independence and after the independence, what the development has happened to remove these poverty. So these the main intention of the making the day by day economical condition, it is developing, and the government having a target of anti poverty programs, although there was many schemes, many programs, many development programs they are the making for main intention, that is removing poverty from India. So first one we'll see this, the what are the programs, maybe those are the directly or the indirectly programs they are the making to remove a poverty, to making development of the who are below the poverty line. So here some schemes they are given to understand that. The first one, it is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Gratuity. So here the main intention, the Mahatma Gandhi ji, they are had a dream of remove a poverty, the development of the rural areas. So the keeping the name of a great freedom fighter, and they are the started the programs in a Act 2005. The aim, the provide, the main intention of this, the providing the 100 days of wages employment to every household to ensure the livelihood security. So the main intention, the giving a security for to the rural areas. It is also is having a intention or the development of the who are caused, who are the suffered from the drought as well as deforestation, and so that is drought, deforestation and soil erosion, that is one third of the proposed job have been reserved for to the women. So one third part of the jobs has a reserved for to the women. The scheme provided the employment for to the 220 crores persons per day, and uh, days of employment 4.78 crores households. The share of SC/ST women, the person days in the scheme are 23%, 17% and 53%. Here the average, when we see this average or average of wages has increased for to the 65 in 2006 to 7, and it is an increase 132 in a 2013 and 14. And when we see this in a March, recently in a March 2018, the wages rates as unskilled manual workers has been reserved. So the range of a wages rate of a different states in a union and in a union territories also. Here examples we are the same, that is 281 rupees per day, that is a workers in a Haryana, 168 rupees per day working in a Bihar and a Jharkhand. So other schemes also they are the given, that is Prime Minister Rojagar Yojana or Pradhana Mantri Rojagar Yojana. It was started in 1993. The main intention, main motto, main goal of this program, that is creating the self employment opportunities for to the educated unemployed young generation or the youth in a from a rural areas or in a from a small towns. They are the helping or the setting a small business as well as industries for who are unemployed, educated unemployees in rural areas. Here, the Rural Employment Generation Program, that is REGP, it was launched in 1995. The aim of this program is creating the self-employment opportunity for to the opportunities in rural areas and in small towns. A target for the creating 25 lakhs new jobs has been set up of the under this program in a 10th 5-year plan. So again tomorrow we are discussing the same topic. For reference you can refer 9th grade economics textbook. Thank you.